Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at test on the editor feature for DSSPro. So basically on the past, whenever I was supposed to introduce any feature for my game, I was working on it on the editor, and then I was supposed to build the dedicated servers and do the tests, and that's gonna take a lot of time, especially if your computer is not that powerful, if you don't have a decent hardware. So for that reason, I was working for quite some time on a feature that will allow us to test directly from the viewport. So in order to get started, you need to go to the config.ini, okay, and you need to make sure that is debugging in editor set to true. And most of the time you are good to go with this server port, but if it is changed, you need to go to the output log from your editor and figure out the new port. Okay, so now we need to start the DSS server, and here you will notice that there is no new Unreal Engine servers pinned. Okay, so let's press play, and first of all you notice that you are kicked from the Unreal Engine server because you are not authorized. So now you need to type your credentials and log in as a normal user. Okay, then you need to choose your character and connect normally to the server. And here we can see that the player connected and server connected and everything is working fine. Also, you could travel, and basically you are gonna work as if you have built the servers and you are working with dedicated servers. Okay, but whenever you want to exit, you should make sure that you use the exit button here. Thank you for watching. See you on another video.